Don't you think it's a lovely Monday? Huh? Is it? Is it a lovely Monday? Lovely kay wala ko niya ito gabi sa araw ng Hagunoy party. Kaya kung niya ito ba ko hangover ka karon? Really hangover. But again, happy, is it 73rd in Hagunoy? 73rd?
Yes, sir.
73rd? Happy 73rd araw ng Hagunoy Davao del Sur, no? As probably 90% of the times, my wife looks stunning this morning. Ako nang ginasulti para di ta madudahan ay natay mga uyab. Di pa rin sa asawa ni Colonel Makarapat na sige kaduda. Nasa tos Maki. Maki! Sa? Kaduda wala? Wala, no? Buutan na siya, buutan. Sukat na himong sultan. Okay? Anyway, let's welcome first our guests. Okay? We have guests from when the province was yet to be divided. Two of the municipalities which were very, very dear to the heart of Governor Dodo Cagas. I myself have been into their places so many times, both in good times as well as in bad times. No? Na ay amigo ng panahon, ay panahon na kontragyon. But let's forget about the bad things. Just like what is said during masses, look at not the sins of the world, but of the faith of the church. Nga hinduman maginato itong atong pag-away, na doon na may mga nindot o mga nindot pang kagahapon o nindot pa nga kaugmaon para sa itong relasyon. Davao del Sur, let's welcome first ang pinakalayo, the mayor of the municipality of Sarangani from Davao Occidental, Mayor Adlan Yarse, and his treasurer, no? Si Mr. Edgar Sena. Okay. Next, from a not so distant neighbor. Not so distant because actually it's doon na muna. Doon na nahan lang. Doon Marcelino, no? Doon na kayo. Anak na ni siya. Ang original na mong higala ay ang papa. Porque captain pa kanya to, and then nahimong Peter Mayor, si Mayor Jimmy. But this is an improvement of Jimmy himself, no? Mahipon si Jimmy, na-improve ang mga sumusunod. The Honorable Mayor from the Municipality of Osiban Santos, Mayor Jason John Joyce. Thanks, welcome. And his treasurer, si Ma'am Imelda Lison Dato. Pakpak mo kusugoy. Yugod na mo dyan. Sige. Nagani ron, simentado na. Yugod na mo Balot Island. Nagani ron, nanay mga sakayan nindot. Kaniadto yun, sus. Dili lang kay baldi ang balon dito. Bakhog yun. No? But times have changed and I've heard good things, particularly in Balot Island, for instance. Doon na sila yung circumferential road. Congratulations sa the island municipality of Sarangani. And in Jas also, almost done na yung mga kalsada. I hope development shall continue for the benefit of all the peoples of Osiban Santos. Good morning, mayors, and welcome to the province of Davao del Sur. Our fighting mga outgoing kay Mingaw, no? Mingaw unta. Our police provincial director of the Davao del Sur Police Provincial Office, my classmate in batch 98 to the PNPA, Police Colonel Leo T. Ahero. Sir. Together with the officers and men of the Davao del Sur Police Provincial Office, maayong buntag kaninyo. Our member members of the Sangguniang Panliligan, starting to kick off with our SK representative, the Honorable Justin Xiao, the Honorable Mac Gallardo, the Honorable Sheila Cagas, the Honorable Attorney Badondo Ducientos, the IBMR Mandatory Representative, the Honorable Pulong Joseph Sala. Ang pinaka-playboy sa board member, Honorable Reynaldo Avalle. Kabalo mo nga ng playboy, kaya ang cellphone Nokia. Dili magpasakop sa asawa, Nokia yun, hindi siya ng cellphone na kuha. The favorite lady from Santa Cruz. Yes, the hugger, Honorable Marla Almendras. And also the favorite board member of Santa Cruz also, my partner, the Honorable Ray Ayo. Of course, deputy governors from different municipalities, can you please stand up? Amat ka ninyo. Deputy governors are friends of Governor Douglas Racagas. Okay? Our city councilors, I saw them earlier. We have City Councilor Edmond Pogi Humawan. Where is he? Ay, nagkot na po ba? Yan ang nagkot. Mon. And of course, City Councilor Loloy Davo. Oh, nagkot ihapon. Nagkotings. Our department heads, headed by very professional and very amiable Attorney Herbert Gonzalez and his group. Tindog mga department heads. Thank you very much. You make Yvonne's administration much more manageable and bearable. Okay? The members of the Cagas Cares sa Kanunay, napa ba? Our beloved employees of the provincial capital, maayong buntag ninyo, mga empleyado. Si Glenn Inas, utangan sa inyo hag 600 kalingkuranan. O na sila des gawas. Sa atong tanan, gusto ko, manyag na kabuntagong kanatong tanan. First, I'd like to tell you that from henceforth, we are to conduct our convocations here because our Coliseum will undergo major repairs and renovations, both structurally and aesthetically. And as you might have seen during our 59th araw ng Davao del Sur, the Davao del Sur Coliseum, to be known simply as the Coliseum, shall be the most beautiful Coliseum not only in Region 11, not only in Mindanao, but I am sure also in the Visayas. Puwerteng ninduta na worthy of the name Maanyag, the Coliseum, the Maanyag. I can guarantee to you all of that. Okay? So, agwat-agwat na lang sa kadiri. Pamalit po electric pan, dugang lem. Sige lang kagino, okay kwarta. Wah, mabuday kwarta ng budget officer. Dugay kinapagawas kwarta. Kaya naghang kayo proseso yan. As a matter of fact, munang nalangan ng cheque, but at least we are here. Personally, kami ni Governor Bon, we would like to thank the members of the Sangguniang Panliligan, the members of the PDRRMO Council for convening as soon as you can so that ang tabang nato para sa itong makaigsunan dito sa itong mga silingan maaksunan gayab o dali-dali. Salamat mga board members. Okay? But before we go to them, let me just say this about, wala mo sila yung, siguro, unahon na nato no? Para sa kuha, personally, kaning Jose Ben Santos of Jazz, kuhaan kayo sa kong kasing-kasing, kanang, so, di kayo ba? Ay, have a soft heart when it comes to Jose Santos, mga katauhan palitan sa Kabayon, atong si Eric, memorize niya Jose Santos. Eric Agbon, mayor sa Matanao, no? Lisod kayo mga panya dito. Labi na kontra ninyo Joyce. Pasta yun, lisura yun. Cruz. Wala na ng kampanya nila eh. Lisod kayo. May man sa Sarangani, kinaman si Marlagudas, andaman magunimarong isda dito, crab sa Laker. Nagkumagkampanya dito sa Mabilas at Bang, magkuhan, tabok ng Laker. Mayor, kasa, during the campaign, ata hindi si Mar. Nagdala to niyang gamay niyang pambot sa red driver, nalay palit na gimahang engine. Sige, ano may tunga-tunga, mahigit na kayo, gikagrali sa pundasyon. Kumar, normal lang ni daghan ng tubig atong isakyan. Wala sir, murag di na normal. Kasi masang di na normal. Murag buslot atong maruto. Nanayati na. Sila na kumar, di ko, kabalo mo lang yung biyakyan. Buwanga ka. Kaya naman ito'y sudanan o, ano nga natuti siguro na naman. Pagani na si Kutsilyo, hiwa, ako'y tigabo niya. Tinugaya ba natin mabutog laker? Ingana, kalisod, mga panya kanina doon sa Sarangani Island. Ang mga munisipyo, dili pa accessible by roads. Si Dodo Cagas had, I think, the most challenging times in campaigning in Sarangani Island. Even in Balot, kaya wapay karsada gikan sa Don Marcelino, just they had to use the bangka or pambot. But I am happy. Lingkod dire, ABC President Antonio Morales, pinagmangkod dire. Starring yung din sa kapot, no? Aktor mo kayo ba? Aktor kayo. Nagayag mangko na. Dapat sila. Yes, so, where was I? Talking about? Unsa ganin na, Mayor, kung gikan ka sa ilaha, pan ba? Namatay na ba? Si Didagag Mayor ba? Kontra ni mo, si Mario Guillermo na barangay niya sa pataas na yung mga basakan nga humot nga humay. Sa taas, ganyan to, magmotor ang ito dito. Sa Isidro na, mulmul. Matay, makatilaw mo silang bugas dito, humot kayo. Pero kaniyatong panahon, many years ago, these barangays were only accessible through habal-habal, no? And kapila ko, nagligid-ligid dito sa Lapok, but pag-abot dito sa barangay, it was really worth it to meet the people, no? Even si Ibon was niabot din siya sa Jose Santos and Sarangani, sa Laker mismo, yes. Because I had to share stories with her that these two places are, as I've said, very dear to my heart. No? And that's why we are here this morning. Dili basta-basta ang yagian sa katawhan sa Jose Santos o sa Sarangani. Dito mi sa General Santos, dito po sila, kauban si Bro Frank, ato ang governor ng amigo sa Davao Occidental, si Governor Franklin Bautista, o si Mami Lawrence, no? Nakapot si Mami Lawrence dito, ang Vice Governor. And si Rex Gatchalian, together with this CD, ano kanang National Disaster, NDRMO of Civil Defense, okay? OCD, yes, correct. They were briefing the President on situations in both municipalities. Kabalo ba mo, sa Jose Santos, matod pa ni Mayor, doon ay 5 ka mga barangay dito nga pagkahuman sa linog, wala totally nahugno ang bukid. What happened, nahimo na noon siyang man-made lake, thereby becoming much more hazardous to people below the mountains. So, ang local government of Jose Santos had to order the mandatory evacuation until such time that the mountain will be cleared, but it would require the armed forces probably to put up some dynamites in those mountains and blow them up so that heavy equipments, both from local, national, private contractors and DPWH, can actually fix the roads leading to those barangays which were isolated during the quakes. And it would be doubly scary when it comes to Sarangani Island. Nindot kayo ng isla, isang katong Sarangani Island, o ba? Pagtinindutan ng Balot Island. Mas kuyaw, dito kay isla ko to. Kung linugon ka, ano una-una? Tsunami naman yun See? And we've decided instead of bringing medicines, we were, it was reported to us that what was needed in Balot Island was medicine. Gliso doon hatod mayor. So that in das, it was decided by everyone just to give checks na lang to the one. So this morning, I'm calling on, I'm requesting the governor to please come on stage together with the two mayors and the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, please. Gemma, where are the checks? Muapil si PD yung sayo, wala man. Herbert, come in to represent the squad. I'd like to ask elected officials also, councilors Pogi and Lolo and Councilor Noynoy. Welcome, come on stage. Okay. Unang check on behalf of the people of Davao del Sur, the provincial government headed by Governor Bonronia, Mayor Jason Joyce, we humbly and gladly extend assistance to the people and the municipality of Los Santos in the amount of 1 million pesos, and to the people of Balot Island, municipality of Sarangani, to Mayor Adelan. We also extend the same financial assistance to your people from the people of Davao del Sur, total of 2 million pesos. So, dapat